Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a drive from Switzerland all the way to France, crossing through the beautiful Swiss Alps. Our mode of transport will be the Mercedes G350 from 2013, which is just made for this environment. So for now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Welcome today, smile on my face, may not go my way, still got my faith, so I'll be okay. I'll be okay, I'll be okay.
Good morning, guys. Second night was amazing. This was a great 2-night stay, totally unexpected. I got a bunch of my energy back, I think. I'll do gym quickly, have breakfast, and then head back on the road. It is gloomy outside today, a bit cold, but just looks super scenic to drive through Switzerland. So this super spontaneous stay was really absolutely amazing. I met so many cool people, like the ski event yesterday, quick party downstairs yesterday night. Felt really welcome here. So huge shout out to Who's Start and especially Mario, who hooked me up with 2 nights here, which was more than I would ever expect, and it was just so amazing. I mean, you've seen the room, you see the views. What more could you wish for? So I'm gonna head in the gym. I'll have some breakfast after, and then we're gonna hit the road towards France. I have one more quick stop in Switzerland that I want to make, and then it's towards south of France a bit before we head into Spain direction. Yeah, I have something planned there.
I know the pain you felt, I felt it with you. I know the hate you feel, the scar tissue.
Car's packed. Now it's time for breakfast. Hell yeah. Oh, excited to go on the road again. I don't know about you, but I love driving in the rain. Like, it's the perfect weather for me to drive. Because if it's sunny and perfect, I want to spend time exploring the place, you know? So when it's raining and the weather is really bad, I don't feel like I'm losing time to explore anything. I'm just on the road and the weather can be bad. It doesn't really matter, you know? It's only 20 more minutes, but I maxed it out the time. Now I'm here, last one. Okay, what's great is I went crazy yesterday on all the assortments. So today I can just get some food that I will actually finish and I would have in a normal breakfast. One thing I still need to try is this though. It's like Nutella, but Ovomaltine edition. Some snacks for the road. Oops. Sorry, hotel. Okay, this looks amazing. I don't want to get too full because I have to do a lot of driving and being tired in the car is no good. I did bring my iPad to breakfast for one specific thing. I shared my route of the trip on Instagram, as you can see, and I asked for recommendations, and up until now I got quite a bunch of suggestions. So I'll go through them now and take some notes and put together a nice route for the next few days. This is such a great life right now. Okay, so the guy you have been seeing on skis going through water is actually Mario, who's the guy who hooked me up with the stay here at Who's Start. So thank you again.
No worries.
Really appreciate it. And they host all kind of company events here, I guess. And if we turn around, we have this big boy. The Mercedes answer to the Tesla truck.
I guess so. I mean, we have a Daimler truck here right now, so they're showcasing it there to their company, and also having a partnership with Land Rover. They were just here for 2 weeks doing some driving.
Oh
training.
yeah, let me see. You have the logo on top. Sick. Okay. Fulfilling Mario's wish. Driving the G.
My dad was a car dealer, so I remember when I was younger for some time we had a G and we put a sledge on a rope behind. Now some military trucks.
Yeah, I was about to say. Time for me to finally film this view. Pretty sick. So what do you think?
Oh, super nice. I mean,
Sweet.
G-Wagon and Defender.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Maybe I grab a few more liters. I've been here before, as you know. Okay, put in another 21 francs. Exact. 21 is my favorite number. And I'm riding passenger one more time. Oh, it's 12:30. Okay, time to go to France. And we're back. Beautiful Husstadt. One more stop this year. I'll probably be back next year. Okay, I'm on the road again. 2 nights in this beautiful hotel are over. I had such a good time. Shout out again to the whole Hus community, especially Mario. That was absolutely sick. And now it's back to living in the G class, which is also sick. Yeah, and I'm actually excited to camp tonight. I'm hitting the road, and Mario actually suggested me an alternative route that I'm taking now, and you sit back and enjoy while I am getting behind the wheel. Peace, friends. Quick update on the B cam. This is my old Osmo. The new one is filming time-lapse right now, and I just wanted to quickly check in with how amazed I am with this drive. Like, what am I driving through currently? What? Oh my god, this looks insane. I'm literally on the same height as a cloud going through this underpass. Had to jump out of the car to fully embrace this. It's typical of what you see from Switzerland, but I have just never been. So, wow. Okay, I decided to stop. These roads are too insane not to be captured in its full glory. So if you're telling me this is a bad idea what I'm gonna do, then it's too late. Because what I want to do is mount this suction cup that I have in here to the outside of the car. I think this is definitely capable of doing such thing. Well, I would hope so. Yeah, kind of like that. I'll figure out a placement. Wish me luck. Safe and sound, we're back. The Osmo survived everything. Now I have a bit more trust in this suction thing. I might be using it a bit more in the future. I just successfully shot the whole setup tour of my G-Wagon camper, which should be online already. So in case you haven't seen it, it's on my channel. Taking in this breathtaking view one more time. I mean, I was hoping for something like this on the way. I didn't expect it to be this great. I think this was a great location to shoot. Now let's get back on the road. Pretty much out of fuel right now, so taking a quick late night fuel break here. Crazy thing is, I was looking on Google Maps and I didn't see any open gas stations. Oh, I was a bit scared. Like, am I gonna make it, or do I have to sleep somewhere and then fill up in the morning? But it's working out. And if you're wondering how I have such an amazing tripod out of nowhere, the camera is magnetic and I put it on here. So sick. 52 euros for 30 liters. Okay, I just stopped. It is around 10. Sleep time. I'm at a random parking spot. I didn't find anything fancy. I mean, there were some nice spots in the mountains, but then I wanted to keep going for a bit more, and then all of a sudden they disappeared. So now I'm at on the highway, on the side of the highway, like a gas station kind of restaurant. It's also here, that kind of place. I'll show you. Yeah, gonna set up camp here. I'll do as low effort as possible because I really want to get to sleep. This is probably the most unromantic sleeping spot yet. Unromantic, yes, but very clean. talked to the cashier in the gas station. He wanted to give me the key straight away to the toilet, to the shower. And I was like, no, I need it tomorrow. But he didn't say anything about pricing. So he just wanted to exchange a key, like it might be a free shower. We'll see about that. This really is the extreme opposite. I mean, I'm literally coming from the most expensive town in the world. 5-star hotel, gym, spa, hot shower, everything. And I'm now at a parking spot on a French highway, sleeping in my car. And I am so excited to. Both are great experiences. I wouldn't only do one and I wouldn't only do the other. It's the mix that really makes it for me. And I'm grateful that this is my life right now. Here's my view. Sleeping in between trucks, but glad I cannot look inside because the windows are tinted. All right, good night, folks.